Are you thinking about becoming an analyst, but confused about which course or certification you should take? Don't worry, you're not alone. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming. In today's video, I'm going to break down the best analyst courses, certifications, and training programs in 2025. We'll cover business analyst, data analyst, financial analyst, cybersecurity analyst, and even tools like SQL, Excel, Tableau, and Power BI. So if you've ever searched for things like business analyst course, free data analyst course, or best certifications for analysts, then this video is for you. Let's start with the business analyst path. If you're just beginning, there are plenty of free business analyst courses on Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube. These cover the basics, like requirements gathering, process mapping, and documentation. But if you want something more structured and industry recognized, consider business analyst certifications. The most popular ones are IIBAE CBA for beginners, CBAP for experienced professionals, and PMIPBA for those with a project management background. If you're looking for the best business analyst certification, CBAP and PMIPBA are considered gold standards by employers worldwide. And don't forget tools. Skills like Excel for business analysts are a must-have for daily work. Next up, data analyst courses. This is one of the hottest analyst careers right now. If you're just starting, try a free data analyst course from platforms like Kaggle, Google Analytics Academy, or Khan Academy. For professional credentials, some excellent certifications include the Google Data Analytics Certificate, beginner-friendly and affordable, the IBM Data Analyst Certificate, great for practical training, and the Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate, a strong option if you want Microsoft credentials. Now let's talk about tools. Every data analyst needs them. SQL for data analysts is essential for databases. Tableau is amazing for data visualization. And Power BI is a top choice in many companies. All right, what if you're interested in finance? For financial analysts, the go-to path is certifications like the CFA or specialized financial analyst courses in corporate finance. If you're more into equity research, training from platforms like Wall Street Prep or Corporate Finance Institute is excellent. You'll learn valuation, modeling, and Excel for finance. Now let's switch gears to cybersecurity analysts. This field is growing fast, and certifications matter a lot. The top entry-level one is CompTIA Security Plus, affordable and globally recognized. As you gain experience, you can go for CISSP or CISM, which are highly valued by employers. And don't forget the specialized CySA Plus, designed specifically for analyst roles. Here's a big question. Should you take a free course or invest in a paid certification? Free courses are great for beginners. You can learn the basics of business, data, or finance analysis without spending a dollar. But if you're serious about building a career, paid industry-recognized certifications like CBAP, CFA, CompTIA, Google, or IBM can give you a real edge. So how do you decide which course to take? It depends on your career goals, love business processes. Go for business analyst certifications. Passionate about data? Focus on data analyst courses and tools. Interested in finance? Consider the CFA. And if security excites you, cybersecurity analyst certifications are the way to go. To wrap up, we covered the best analyst courses, certifications, and training in 2025. Now I want to hear from you. Which course or certification are you planning to take this year? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career growth tips. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.